Hi, my name is Justin Kniesel. My family's been in the collision industry for over 50 years.
And my name is Tony Cuneo, and I've been a certified master technician for the last 25 years.
Master.
And we started Nex Automotive.
What do we do? What does Nex Automotive do?
We fix cars,
What part of the car?
any part.
Any and everything. We literally can do everything.
We can.
What do we specialize in?
Specialties. Okay, well, we specialize in ADAS calibration, scans, electrical diagnosis, programming, and we can do all this with factory scanners and equipment.
Okay. So, Tony, what's some of the new technology that we're working with and utilizing to help people that might be outside of our physical market?
Great question. We utilize Remote Expert for our Auto, so it's a way for a customer anywhere in the United States or the world for that matter to request help via their Auto tablet. That will send a message to me that I can apply a number to and send you a request or a quote to hook up a factory scan tool to your vehicle and do whatever you need done, programming, ADAS calibrations, things like that. It's pretty cool. It's pretty amazing stuff.
Well, I know there's going to be some people watching it that say, well, there's other companies who offer very similar products and systems. So what makes us different? What's the unique piece of what we apply to our customers that utilize this technology that sets us apart from everybody else?
I think more personal interactions. You're directly talking to a person who is helping you and telling you where to go test and procedures to follow and things to look up and just generalized personal help throughout the repair process. So it's pretty remarkable.
Yeah, somebody to call when something's not going right on the other end.
Yep.